Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Building and nurturing meaningful friendships is an integral part of life. However, what if some of these connections are not contributing positively to our well-being? In this video, we delve into the 10 crucial warning signs that may indicate a friend is bringing more negativity than positivity into your life. It's essential to be aware of these signs to maintain healthy relationships and protect your mental and emotional well-being. Let's explore each sign in more detail. 1. Consistent negativity. A toxic friend often sees the world through a perpetually negative lens. If you find yourself surrounded by someone who consistently dwells on the darker aspects of life, dismissing or downplaying the positive, it's time to take notice and evaluate the impact of this pervasive negativity. 2. Jealousy and competition. Healthy friendships are built on mutual support and celebration of each other's achievements. When a friend starts displaying signs of jealousy or becomes overly competitive, it can create an environment that hampers your personal growth and well-being. 3. Undermining your confidence. Genuine friends uplift and empower one another. However, toxic friends may do the opposite, subtly or overtly undermining your confidence. Recognizing when this occurs is crucial for preserving your self-esteem. 4. Gossiping and betrayal. Trust is the cornerstone of any successful friendship. If you discover that your friend is gossiping about you or betraying your trust, it's a clear indication that the friendship may be heading in a detrimental direction. 5. Self-centered behavior. Healthy friendships are characterized by a reciprocal exchange of care and attention. Toxic friends, on the contrary, tend to be self-centered, showing interest only when it serves their needs. Identifying such behavior is crucial for maintaining a balanced relationship. 6. Manipulation tactics. Toxic friends may resort to manipulation to control situations or people. Recognizing these manipulation tactics is essential for safeguarding your autonomy within the friendship. 7. Lack of empathy. Empathy is a fundamental element of authentic friendships. If your friend consistently lacks the ability to understand or acknowledge your feelings, it's a red flag signaling potential toxicity. 8. Energy drainers. While true friends uplift and energize, toxic friends can be significant energy drainers. Pay attention to how you feel after spending time with them. If you consistently feel drained, it's essential to address this dynamic. 9. Failure to apologize. In any friendship, misunderstandings and mistakes are inevitable. Healthy friends recognize their errors, apologize, and work towards resolution. If your friend consistently refuses to apologize for their actions, it can strain the foundation of your relationship. 10. Unreliability. Trust is built on reliability and consistency. If your friend is consistently unreliable, frequently canceling plans or failing to follow through on commitments, it can erode the foundation of trust within your friendship. Remember, a positive and healthy circle of friends contributes significantly to your overall well-being. This video aims to empower you with the knowledge to identify toxic friendships and take the necessary steps to foster a more positive and supportive social network. Your mental and emotional health deserve nothing less. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content.